Students, how are you all? Hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So students, welcome back in your mathematics class. This is class 9, chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. Now we are here with the test solutions. So we will start your test solutions. This is your first answer. This is your second answer. This is your third answer. In the third, we have to find the base area. It means the circular base of the cylinder, which is pi r square. This is your fourth answer. This is your fifth answer. This is your sixth answer. Diameter is 84 centimeter and length is 120 centimeter. First of all, we have to find the curved surface area of roller, which is present in centimeter square. Then, because cost is given with the meter square, we have to change this unit into the meter square. First we have to change into the meter square. Then total surface area of the playground we have to multiply with the 500, because that roller cover the level the total playground with the 500 revolution. So this is the total surface area of playground, and this is the total cost for labeling of the playground. This is the seventh answer. In this we have to find the L also, because curved surface area is required for the tent, because we have to find the surface area of the cloth also. And then it is like that trampoline question. So area of the cloth required for making the tent is this, and we have to cut from a length of the from a roll. So base is already given that roller is 5 meter wide, so we have to find the length is 110 meter, and the cost is already given, so the total cost is 5,500 rupees. This is your eighth answer. In this question we have to find that how many sphere of balls will be made from a big sphere. So definitely we will find the volume. This is your eighth answer. So students, from this question your test solutions are already finished, and now we are going to start new chapter number 10, circles. So you have to revise circle, and students you have to revise circle chapter, and then for this you will see lecture number 1 and 2, and then we will go on further with the lectures of circle. Thank you. Have a nice day.